Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy, and guess what? I've received another knit crate. So now they seem to be all coming through in these knit crate bags. I suppose I'm lucky that I got this one. It was very easy to rip open there. So wow. Now what have we got in this one? Oh. Bear with me a sec. Ooh. I don't know what that is. It's something that's Dare to Dream. I have no idea what that is. Dare to dream that it's a free gift. What the heck is that? Hang on, it opens. Oh, possibly fridge magnets, maybe? Dare to Dream. It has to do something, surely. Maybe you put it around the end of your yarn. I don't know. Wow, that is really sticky and it's stuck to my countertop. So what else is in here? Nothing. It was a label. The label weighs more than the contents, guys. So, oh, in no booklet this time. No booklet. Just this. There's no book. Did that fall on the floor? Have I missed it? No. It's one of these because it has this thingy. So obviously no booklet this time. Just this. Okay, KnitCrate Indulge. So I guess this must be July. It doesn't really say. Does it? Oh my god. This month's Indulge theme is all about treating yourself to the luxurious yarn that you deserve so that you can immerse yourself in squishy fibre decadence. Okay. It's 80% alpaca, 20% tencel, 125 yards, 114 metres, 100 grams, bulky. So bulky 5, is it? I guess. And then Sock Knit Club. Oh, I don't think that's not what I have. So this is the yarn. They're always striped colours. Have you noticed? Since I've had these, every single one has been a drab colour. It's so lovely and soft, I tell you. This is beautiful. Actually, really, really, really nice yarn. So, and let's get up close and personal. It really is absolutely squishy, silky, soft. Really lovely. This is called Mellow. Again, Aldine Wools by KnitCrate. Mellow. Beautiful yarn. Even if it's not a beautiful colour, I'd say it's like mushroom. So, what do we have here? 80% alpaca, as it said. 20% tencel. Hand wash only. Yeah, that's it, basically. But 2 skeins of this. It is actually extremely soft. Absolutely amazing. Out of all of the yarns that I think they've sent me, this one, I'm going to use it. I haven't used any of the others, but I just feel that this would make a glorious scarf to have that around your neck, or Gary maybe. I don't know, but I feel like I'm going to use this one. I'll have my work cut out for me winding it, but I've got a feeling that out of all of them it will be this one. So obviously I can't show this little doodad to my camera because it pops up and interrupts, but there are always lots of colour choices, but I just feel that I always seem to get sent the drabbest colour imaginable. Is it just me, or does that happen to everyone? I think, you know, if you're a proper pucker KnitCrate customer, you can go in and swap your yarns around. But if you're someone like myself who just did the 3-month thing, even though that they're now sending me these free of charge, they're not swappable. So you get the usual one that they're going to send everyone. So far, I mean, last time, I mean, it was only a week ago, but this was June. So I'm hoping then that this one's July. And if I got them in the wrong order, maybe, I don't know. But, you know, you think summer colours, wouldn't you, at least? But no, we get these, like, sorry, but they're drab, you know. I mean, they're lovely wool. They're lovely yarn. But every single colour is drab. And a lot of people give a criticism of Bella Coco because every single yarn she sends out is pretty. And every yarn is pastel. But every yarn they send out is drab. Can't win, can you really? Maybe they ought to combine forces. 1 week do the drab, next month, you know. But it does feel, in all seriousness, it does feel absolutely amazing. Really, really nice. So again, the free gift, wherever that has gone, what is it? I mean, come on. I'll open it up. So I've got a feeling, does that stick to itself? No. Yeah. Maybe you put your yarn end in there and clamp it shut. I've no idea. No idea whatsoever what you'd do with this. If anybody knows, maybe I hit the nail on the head, I don't know. But, you know, it's still pitiful, KnitCrate. The gifts are crud. You need to work on them. They are better than a... Well, no. This one was better than a sticker. This one is marginally better than a sticker. But come on already. They're pretty poor. But the yarn isn't. The yarn's lovely. I have to say that this one feels the softest out of every single one they've sent me so far. This one, last month's one, which got last week, was quite soft. Yeah, really nice. But this one is even more dreamy soft. And as it's a bulky 5, I will be using this. Winter is coming, as they would say on a popular TV show. But it is. And it's around the corner for us, apparently. So, yeah, that's my KnitCrate. What do you think? I actually think it is beautiful yarn. Whether there's enough to make something of any, you know, consequence, because it's bulky, so therefore you'll get less yardage. I could get maybe a little infinity scarf or something out of it. But yeah, it's only what, July, a couple of months late, this one. It was worse for the last one, which, you know, was June. So this one, if it's July, it's at the end of September now. So yeah, what do you think? Tell me what you think. Why do they always give drab colours? Why do you think that is? I know they're more serious fibre, but I've looked at their site and I've looked at other people's unboxings and they've had some really, really pretty yarns. But my colours, this was the most vibrant one I've ever had. The last one. It's nice stuff though, I have to say. Nice yarn. Okay colour. Anyway, I'm going to get off. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, take care. And you never know, the next one might be next week. So bye for now, everyone. Stay safe.